This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to beat Untitled Goose Game. To begin, always check your to-do list in the pause menu to understand your current objectives. Stealth is your best friend. Use it to sneak around and avoid detection. Observing the routines of the villagers will reveal perfect moments for your mischievous plans. Remember, patience and observation are key to becoming a truly troublesome goose. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success in every area. Mastering stealth and distraction is crucial for your goosey escapades. Crouch to move silently, allowing you to hide behind various objects such as tall bushes or wooden crates. A well-timed honk can draw attention away from your objective, giving you a window of opportunity. You can also grab an item and run, leading a character on a chase to a completely different part of the area, leaving your target unguarded for a few precious seconds. The game encourages clever item use and creative problem solving. Don't be afraid to combine items in unexpected ways, for example, dropping a bucket on someone's head or placing a rake in their path. If an objective seems tricky, try experimenting with 2 or 3 different approaches. Many puzzles have multiple solutions, so if one method isn't working, another might be just around the corner. Think outside the box to outsmart the villagers. For advanced tactics, always utilize the environment to your advantage. Open gates can create shortcuts, and water features can be used for quick escapes or to hide items. Practice timing your actions precisely. A well-timed grab or honk can make all the difference. Remember, it's okay to fail a few times. Each attempt offers a valuable lesson, helping you refine your strategy and become an even more mischievous goose. Have fun causing delightful chaos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.